Hi friends, today we discuss about the topic types of heart and ECG. First we discuss about types of heart. Heart is a central muscular pumping organ which keeps on beating non-stop to maintain a constant circulation of blood all over the body. Based on structure, hearts are classified under four categories, namely pulsating vessels, tubular hearts, chambered hearts and accessory hearts. First, pulsating vessels. These are the contractile blood vessels which function as unspecialized hearts. They are found in amphioses and many annelids. The rhythmic waves of pulsations or alternate contractions and relaxations passing along their walls in regular release drive the blood slowly in the direction of the waves. The pulsations of these vessels are not regular and coordinated. Second one, tubular hearts. These are contractile tubes without distinct chambers for the separation of arterial and venous blood. They are found in arthropods, particularly among insects. Their walls are strengthened by stripped muscles. Insect heart has a series of compartments with valvular openings between successive compartments. Each compartment may have a pair of valvular lateral openings, also called ostia. Since the openings between the compartments are valvular, blood always flows from behind forwards. In ascidians, heart has no compartments and valves, and so there is a periodic reversal in the direction of blood flow. Third one, chambered heart. These are the specialized type of hearts with the distinct chambers for the separation of arterial and venous blood. They are found in cephalopod molluscas and vertebrates. In fishes, with the exception of lungfishes, heart is two-chambered with an auricle and a ventricle. In amphibians, heart is tetralocular or three-chambered with two auricles and a ventricle. In reptiles, with the exception of crocodiles, heart is incompletely four-chambered with two auricles and a partially divided ventricle. In lungfishes, crocodiles, birds and mammals, heart is typically tetralocular or four-chambered with two auricles and two ventricles. Fourth one, accessory hearts. These are the contractile sacs which supplement the functioning of the heart to boost up the pressure of blood. The blood pumps of crustaceans, the accessory pulsatile ampular organs of some insects, branchial hearts of cephalopod molluscas, the lymph hearts of vertebrates, etc. are examples. Next we discuss myogenic and neurogenic hearts. Based on the stimulation for heartbeat, two kinds of hearts can be recognized, myogenic and neurogenic. In myogenic hearts, cardiac muscle fibers have the autonomous ability to initiate and maintain heartbeats without nervous stimulation. So the rhythmicity of the heartbeat is determined by the cardiac muscles themselves. In neurogenic hearts, heartbeat are initiated and maintained by nervous control. The hearts of molluscas, tunicates and vertebrates are myogenic and those of other animals are neurogenic. That's all about types of heart. Next we discuss about electrocardiography or ECG. Electrocardiography is an imaging technique used for studying the functioning of the heart by recording the electrical activity of heart muscles. It gives correct information regarding the rhythm and rate of heartbeat and thus helps to detect disorders of heart. The instrument used in electrocardiography is called electrocardiograph. The tracing of the graphic record of the electrical phenomena of heart is called electrocardiogram. The electrocardiogram of a perfectly normal human heart is called normal electrocardiogram. It has a characteristic wave pattern. The graph of each normal heartbeat or cardiac cycle will have 5 characteristic waves, namely P, Q, R, S and T. Of this, P, R and T are upward waves and Q and S are downward waves. P wave represents the depolarization of auricular muscles. Therefore, it is called auricular complex. The magnitude of the P wave reflects the functional efficiency of the SA mode. Q, R, S and T waves represent the initiation, and depolarization of ventricular muscles. So, they constitute the ventricular complex. Q wave is believed to represent the excitation of papillary muscles. R wave represents the excitation of the base of the ventricle. S wave represents the excitation of the apex of the ventricle, and T wave represents the end of the ventricular excitation. Thus, the interval between P and Q waves represent auricular systole, and that between Q and T represent ventricular systole. ECG is now used to measure the right and rhythm of heartbeat, to detect the damage of heart muscles, and to diagnose heart disease. It is now important in the diagnosis of the abnormally high rate of systole, heart blocks, myocardial infarction, angina pectoris, hypertrophy of heart chambers. That's all about ECG. Thank you.